Pluto the dog is very happy. If you meet him, give him a paw. He's just coming along, he's very fun. He's going to be with you. Come on, Pluto. Come on, Pluto. Pluto the dog. Pluto the dog. Come on, Pluto. Pluto, Pluto, Pluto the dog. Pluto is Pluto, it's Pluto, it's Pluto. It's Pluto the dog. Pluto the dog. It's Pluto the dog. It's Pluto the dog. If you meet him, he's going to lick. He's going to lick. He's going to lick all the time. He will lick his paw. He will lick his paw. He's going to be with you. And he's going to give you a paw. Paw, 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 paw. He's going to give you, and he's gonna lick his thumb. He's going to lick his thumb. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. And he's gonna lick you if you're not careful. He's going to lick you if you're not careful. Hi, I'm Pluto. Ruff. Did you think I just saw Santa? I need to wake up my friends. Whee! Ahead. Wow, my toy's living! Thank you, Santa. This is amazing. Hello, can you build me a friend for me? Thank you. My name is Keith, and this is Alan the alien. Nice to meet you, Keith. Wow! It's present time! Here's the infinite present. What's first? Hello, I'm Riley. Present number 2. Marble Paradise! To see the rest, you have to see Marble Magic coming out soon. You have to wait till later to see present 3. Let's go and have some fun. I'm playing at the marble run. We're hanging out together. I'm going to lick the camera. Hee hee. Everyone, Christmas lunch is so nice. For Christmas, me and Riley both got new collars. Look. Good morning, everybody. Dad, it's the afternoon. Didn't you realise? Yeah, you've been asleep all morning. Yeah, good lunch, guys. Come on, everybody. Let's go and settle down for some fun. But wait! I just saw something. Rewind, everyone, and check. There was definitely something behind us. It's time for present 3. Oh, first one, to Dottie. Hi, I'm Lottie. Hi, I'm Cotty. New siblings. Finally. It's Mum. Where's the girls? They'll be here soon. Bedtime, everybody. Mum, you know I got you a present as well. See? Look. Thank you, Pluto. Now get to bed.